World Dawg went live with Swiss Sleeve for Sunday service, sharing an emotional moment with his fans. He broke down in tears, remembering his friend Joe, and it was tough to watch. This was the first time we have seen World Dawg and Swiss Sleeve, two best friends, so serious and in such pain. Drop some prayer hand emoji in the comment section for World Dawg and some dove emoji to honor Joe. Check out the video.
Will be one. Sometimes I fall to my knees and pray. Come, Jesus, come. Let today be the day. Sometimes I feel like I'm gonna be, but I'm home to a hope that won't fade.
We don't know if or when World Dawg will open fully about what really happened. That's if he ever feels comfortable enough to share it publicly. Many people are seeking answers, but for now it seems like only the police know the full story.